Hello everybody, today we're going to look at using the capsule machine to make our own capsules filled with whatever you want to fill them. These are filled with Chinese herbs, so I can take them. So I bought this off eBay. I paid about 37 Aussie bucks delivered. This is made in America and it came with 250 veggie caps. If you're kosher, you want to get the veggie caps, otherwise the ones are made out of gelatin. And this is for filling zero capsules. There are three sizes. There's 000, 0, and 1. So make sure you get the right size. Just to give you a size kind of vibe, here's a filled capsule. And this is a $2 coin. It's a bit bigger than that. Right. And they're pretty big. So you're going to get all these pieces in the kit. I'll explain. First you want a plate, that's so you don't mess. You've got the stand, then you've got this main part. Now in this base you're going to put, you get a pill, you take off the cap, right, and you put the big end in the big base, and it should slide very nicely in. Now just as a tip, get the pills that come from the same supplier you get on eBay. They'll fit much nicer. I bought these from a health food store and they didn't fit so well, even though they said size 0. Maybe I didn't store them properly, but they didn't really slide in so well. Anyway, so you want to get the right pill, so you're just putting the big part in the big part of the press, the pill machine. You fill them up with 24 holes, and so you go big part, little part goes in here. Right, I prepared some earlier, I'm just doing the last 4. Boom. Alright, so I've now filled all of these, and I filled all of these. So this is the cap, this is the bottom. Now we take our herbs. So shout out here to Udi Tal. He's my Chinese acupuncturist and Chinese medical practitioner. So if you're in Melbourne looking for a Chinese herbalist, definitely go to him. So I put a couple in here. Right. Then I'm just looking for... This usually comes... Oh, here it is. It comes with a card as well. This is a little plastic card. So, as you can see, I've put the herbs in. I'm just going to mush them until they fill. Oh, I'm just going to take it. As you can see, it's going into the lower section of the pill. I'm going to add a bit more. So I'm just doing that until we fill them. Right, this is a bit fiddly, so you got to set aside some time to do it, but it's well worth it. Just put a bit more here. There. Then you've got this tamper thing, and that you can put on top and then press down, and that'll just give you, really pack it in a bit, and then if you want to really pack it in more, you can add a bit more. I don't. So we're done here. You know, any excess we want to keep on the plate. Again, I'm not paid to say this, but Udi Tal, champion guy. Check him out. I'll put a link to his website in the description below if you're after a Chinese herbalist and acupuncturist. So we've done that. We fill that in. We take it off the base. We now put it on a hard surface. We take the top. We put the top on. Just to make sure, you see that little crevice? You want that facing up. So we've got the bottom here and the top here. And what we're going to do is we're going to press down, and it's got like a little spring, and it's going to just seal the top down onto the bottom, the main compartment. So I've got all this flat hard surface. 1, 2, 3, press down. You hear a nice click. Right, it's done. Then we're going to pull that off. We've put the bottom into the top into the bottom, and now we can press, right, add our pills by pressing this spring, and then the others you can just, they don't come out. You can pull them out like that. Then you store them however you want to store them. So that's done. As you can see, there's still a bit of space in there, but that's your pill done. That can get messy if the pill is at all damaged or dented. When you're putting it in, it won't seal nicely. So again, make sure you get the right size pill, 0 for the 0 press, and order the pill from the same supplier. You get it off eBay. They'll just give you the best pills, and they come in lots of 250. So that's the finished pill, and you pop that in your mouth and take it, and Bob's your uncle. So that, I hope, explains to you how you're going to do it. Take time, set aside, do it. So you put the big part in there, load up the herbs, small part in here, the top on there. Do that, take that, press it, press it out. That's it. Easy peasy Japanesey. Alright guys, give it a go, stay healthy, all the best.